Best 10 Ideas for Homemade Tools, Homemade Hand Tools, Vertical Bar DIY Tools, Homemade Tool Design. Intro. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best DIY ideas and projects. In this video, we'll show you the best 10 ideas for homemade tools that will help you save money and make your projects easier. Drill Press Stand. A drill press is a great tool for woodworking, but it can be expensive. Instead of buying one, you can make your own drill press stand using a few pieces of wood and some screws. This stand will hold your drill steady and make it easier to drill precise holes. Belt Sander. A belt sander is a great tool for metalworking, but it can also be expensive. You can make your own belt sander using a motor, some wheels, and a sanding belt. This tool will help you sand and shape metal with precision. Table Saw. A table saw is a staple tool for any woodworking shop, but it can also be very expensive. You can make your own table saw using a circular saw and a few pieces of wood. This tool will help you make precise cuts in wood with ease. Welding Table. If you're into metalworking, a welding table is a must-have. You can make your own welding table using some steel tubing and a piece of steel plate. This table will provide a stable surface for your welding projects. Router Table. A router table is a great tool for woodworking, but it can also be expensive. You can make your own router table using a piece of plywood and a router. This table will make it easier to make precise cuts and shapes in wood. Lathe. A lathe is a great tool for woodworking and metalworking, but it can be very expensive. You can make your own lathe using a motor, some bearings, and some pieces of wood. This tool will help you turn wood and metal with precision. Drill Press Vise. A drill press vise is a great tool for holding your workpiece steady while you drill. You can make your own drill press vise using a few pieces of metal and some screws. This vise will hold your workpiece steady and make it easier to drill precise holes. Metal Bending Brake. A metal bending brake is a great tool for metalworking, but it can also be expensive. You can make your own metal bending brake using some pieces of metal and some bolts. This tool will help you bend metal with precision. Miter Saw. A miter saw is a great tool for making angled cuts in wood, but it can be expensive. You can make your own miter saw using a circular saw and a few pieces of wood. This tool will help you make precise angled cuts in wood with ease. Disc Sander. A disc sander is a great tool for sanding and smoothing wood or metal, but it can be expensive. You can make your own disc sander using a motor, a sanding disc, and a few pieces of wood. This tool will help you sand and smooth your workpieces with precision. Outro. And there you have it, the best 10 ideas for homemade tools that will save you money and make your DIY projects easier. Which one of these tools will you be making first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more DIY ideas and projects. Thanks for watching.